Stop by and take a look at the 2020 EcoSport. The Ford EcoSport has an upgraded interior that provides you all the features you could ever want. It also offers the functionality of an SUV, but in a size where you feel in control. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, roof rails, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, fog lights, braking assist, power brakes, rear view camera, airbags, front knee. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.